Let's see how to undo a Gmail message. First, open the Chrome browser and go to Gmail. I'll start by composing an email and sending it. Let's call this one Test 1. After clicking the Send button, you'll notice a small message appear at the bottom left corner. There, you'll see a link called Undo. You need to click it quickly because it disappears after a few seconds. Since I didn't click it this time, the email was sent and you can see it in the Sent folder. Let's try again. This time, I'll name the email Test 2. Now, I'll click the Undo option right after sending. You have to be fast because by default, Gmail only shows the Undo option for 5 seconds. Done. Now the email was not sent, and you won't see it in the Sent folder. Sometimes you may panic if you miss that short window and can't undo the message in time. But don't worry. There's a way to extend this undo period. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose See All Settings. Under the General tab, look for the Undo Send option. By default, it's set to 5 seconds, but you can extend it up to 30 seconds. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now let's test it again. I'll compose another email called Test 3 and send it. This time, I have 30 seconds to decide whether to undo. That gives me plenty of time to stop the email before it goes out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips.